Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We are going to get started in a child's pose, so let's come onto the knees. Let's open our knees really far apart from each other. We're going to place a pillow, if you have one, underneath the belly and just rest our forehead down on the backs of our palms. I want you to breathe in really deep in through the nose. And now let's let it out through the mouth. One more time, let's take a big inhale in through your nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Come back to your regular breathing, just breathing in and out through the nose. Let's take a little tricep stretch. So we're going to bend the arms, plant the elbows on the bed, fingertips are facing up, and we're just going to clasp our hands behind the head as we work our elbows up a little bit further, getting the elbows a little bit away from the body just so you can feel a stretch behind the arms. And now let's straighten our arms, coming into our regular child's pose. Let's reach all the way up a little bit, really straightening the arms all the way, and then just relax the arms and breathe. Let's move our pillow out of the way. You're going to keep your left arm exactly where it is. We're going to slide that right arm across our chest just so we can stretch our outer right shoulder. And now let's switch sides. Let's straighten that left arm back in front of us, coming into our child's pose. And we make our way into our tabletop position on all fours. Turn towards your left as if you're going to look at your left foot. So you're feeling a stretch all in the right side of your body. Let's pass back through center as we look over to the right foot. Come back through center and let's round our spine. So really round your back, pull your chin in towards your chest, press the bed away from you. And now let's arch our back, looking up, shining our chest forward. And we come back to our neutral spine. Let's look over at our left foot one more time. Really feeling a stretch all in the right side of your body. We pass through center and we look over towards the right. Let's come back through center and round our spine. And let's drop the belly low, arching the back, looking up, shining the chest forward. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you slide your left knee forward a little bit. Straighten your right leg behind you. And you can kind of wiggle the hips a little bit as you settle in here. Try not to lean towards one side, so you really want the hips to be centered. And you can drop your head back here or forward, whatever feels good for you. And now let's do that same thing on the other side. So just switching the legs. Swing your leg around, coming into a cross-legged position if that feels comfortable for you. Sweep your arms up overhead as you take a big inhale in through the nose. Exhale, bring your hands to heart center. Let's take another inhale in through the nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, let's sweep the arms out and up. And now, interlace your fingers, pressing your palms up towards the ceiling, taking a big inhale. And exhale, round your spine, pushing your palms forward. Again, we rise back up, taking an inhale. And exhale, round your spine, pressing the palms forward. Take an inhale as you rise back up, and exhale, side body stretch to the right. Really extend that left arm up and over so that you can feel a stretch all in the left side body. Let's straighten that left arm, reaching up and back. And now reach in front of you, touching the bed. Again, let's reach up and back with that left arm, rotating the chest up towards the ceiling and rotating the chest down, touching the bed in front of you. Come back into your side body stretch and back to center so we can do our side body stretch on the other side, reaching up and over with that right arm. Breathing here in and out through the nose. And now we reach up and back with that right arm, rotating the chest up. And we rotate the chest down, reaching forward with that right arm. Again, reaching up and back. And reaching forward. Let's come back into our side body stretch and back to center. Lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. And now let's drop your head forward, chin to chest, left ear to left shoulder. Drop your head back, chin to ceiling, and right ear to right shoulder again. Now let's reverse that, dropping the head back, left ear to left shoulder, chin to chest, drop your head forward, and right ear to right shoulder. Coming back to center, let's walk the hands forward. And let's just rest here. And it's okay if your arms hang a little bit off of the bed. Just relax your forehead and your arms and your shoulders as you take some deep breaths in and out through the nose. Let's slowly make our way back up. We're going to switch the cross of our leg so that the other leg is in front, and then we're going to go right back down again. Now you can stay just like this, or you can clasp your hands behind your low back, lifting the arms, flipping the palms, just getting a little stretch in the shoulders, and you can kind of move side to side, back and forth. Slowly lower your arms down And we come back up. Let's straighten our right arm, not our right arm, let's straighten our right leg out to the side. Get in a little comfortable position, and we fold forward over that right leg, relaxing the head, the neck, and the shoulders. We rise back up. Let's go to the other side now. Make your way back up, coming into a butterfly position with the soles of the feet touching. And we're just gonna bounce the knees up and down, bouncing the legs, opening our hips a little bit, moving the shoulders a little bit, and then just walking the hands forward, coming into that forward fold. Don't feel pressured to go super deep here. Like today, I wasn't feeling like going very deep, so I just kind of went down halfway. So you can go down halfway or all the way, but just do what feels best for you and your body. We rise back up and let's open both of our legs out to the side in a straddle position. Shake the legs out a little bit. Place your right hand on top of that right leg as you come into a side body stretch with that left arm. You have the option to extend that right arm, maybe grabbing onto the foot, and you can try to reach that left hand all the way to the right toes, but again, you don't have to go deeper than you feel comfortable going. Let's rise back up, and we're going to do that same thing on the other side. And now let's go towards the center. Let's make our way back up as we close our legs in front of us. Closing the legs together, maybe shaking them out a little bit. Let's actually open them, not too wide, just a little bit. And then start to work your hands down the legs, maybe grabbing onto the toes, relaxing the head, the neck, and the shoulders as you breathe here. Let's place a pillow behind us so that we can lie down. The pillow is going to be on your upper back, so like the shoulders, the head. Pull your left knee in towards your chest as you take some circles with your left ankle. And now let's switch legs, pulling that right knee in towards the chest, taking our circles. Open your legs, coming into your butterfly position. Let's place our hands on our belly and take some really deep breaths here. So let's breathe in through the nose, taking a big inhale, and let it out through your mouth. Again, you take a big breath in, let it out through your mouth. Let's start to straighten our legs. Let your arms relax right next to you. Close your eyes and continue to take some deep breaths in and out through the nose, just allowing your body to relax here. Let's take a big breath in through the nose and let it out through the mouth. And now let's place our hands on our heart. Again, taking a big breath in, fill your belly up, and sigh it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed this relaxing class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.